Now to developing news, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is easing mask guidelines for fully vaccinated people. The CDC says the full vaccinated no longer must wear masks in most indoor places. But how does this impact the state's current mask guidelines? Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane is live for us with those details. Lindsay?
Jordan, this is the normalcy many people here in Western Mass have been waiting for. But it turns out they might have to wait a little bit longer.
I'm not going to take my mask off. I'm not for removing the mask.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says fully vaccinated people no longer have to wear masks in a majority of indoor places or in outdoor crowds, except for in places like hospitals, prisons, homeless shelters, and on buses and planes.
This supports the data that we have in terms of the effectiveness and safety of the vaccines.
Many viewers have been turning to Western Mass News for answers, wondering if and when this guidance goes into effect here in the Bay State. We reached out to Governor Charlie Baker's office, who says in part, the administration welcomes the new CDC guidance and will be updating Massachusetts COVID restrictions in the near future. In the meantime, the current mask order remains in place. Health Commissioner in the city of Springfield, Helen Colton Harris, tells Western Mass News she's excited about the potential for new guidance here in the Bay State, and plans are in the works to try and bring normalcy to city schools.
We potentially will have vaccine for individuals over 12. I have been in contact with Springfield Public Schools, and we are developing a vaccination strategy.
Other viewers have questions about how to know if people are vaccinated or not. Colton Harris says in the city, vaccination rates lag behind the rest of the state, which makes it easier for officials to have an idea on how many people should be maskless.
Some areas and age groups, we are 20 to 10% lower. And so we are able to gauge the vaccination prevalence in the city of Springfield.
Another viewer asked how likely it is to develop COVID-19 or COVID-19 symptoms after getting vaccinated, and Dr. Pius says it's not very likely. Now, again, Governor Baker has not put these mask mandates into effect yet, so the current mask mandate is still in place. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.